another fun-filled episode of
K2!
In ventilador ne.
Yes, because it's getting hot in here.
Yes.
So, everybody, Manalbeka, kayong television sets, it's time na naman po para kayong paboritong tambayan every Friday
Yes. Siyempre, salamat po dahil may 2 years na.
Yes. And
At dahil Ken Partners, pasalamatan tala rin kay katamong sponsor.
Siyempre, salamat po, Kulyat Cakes and Pastries.
Opening soon on Marquee Mall.
Yes.
Wow,
and speaking
we're
of
excited.
open na po in McDonald's OG Road, in Bayong McDonald's OG Road. So,
Willie Pau Delights.
Willie Pau Delights. Nakasalamat sa Valley Escape.
Yes. And syempre, salamat po. Kaya kayungan, katambayers. Hello po. Karang kaya katamong GNNTV 44 na masugid viewers.
Yes.
Ang kaya katamong aliwang programs, Kenny.
Yan.
Talagang we're very proud to be Kapampangan.
Of course, kaya naman po kaya kayong Manalbe na buri pong maging part ng kaya katawang show, just like our Facebook page.
Yes.
Just type KTUBE and click like, mag-post kayo pictures, videos, and be a part of our beautiful show.
Partners, don't forget Pizza Hut.
Of course,
Hello,
syempre.
Pizza Hut. Very yummy pizza. Thank you very much.
Itong Kapampangan.
Yes.
And speaking
At
of
dahil
kultura at talento, this
Yeah.
one goes
Here's a
to you
sample.
Candlelight and soul forever. I dream of you and me together. Say you believe it. Say you believe it. Free your mind and out of danger. Before we'll don't be a stranger. We can achieve it. We can achieve it. Come a little bit closer, baby. Get it on, 'cause tonight is the night when two become